Hello friends, let us continue the discussion on principle of insurance. Now I am going to discuss the principle of subrogation. As I mentioned in the previous presentation, principle of indemnity, there are two corollaries for principle of indemnity. One is principle of subrogation and one is principle of contribution. As I said, insurance company is liable to pay only the actual loss, not more than that or not more than the actual loss, and insurance company can pay actual loss or the sum assured, not more than that. If the actual loss is more than the sum assured will be paid. If the actual loss is lesser than sum assured, only the actual loss will be paid. And along with that, the aggrieved party or the suffering party can also have the right, whenever something happened against him, some loss occurred to him due to the negligence of a third party. In that cases, the legal process or the legal authority may give him a right to get the compensation for the whatever the loss or the negligence happened. When insurance company gives the compensation to a ex party, the right to receive the compensation against the negligence of a third party is transferred to the insurance company. As I said, insurance company gives the compensation against the loss. Once the compensation is given, the right to receive the benefit or the compensation from the third party who is the reason for the loss transferred to the insurance company. That is transfer of legal rights of insured to recover the loss from the third party to the insurance company. Insurer having indemnified the insured for damage caused by another party, third party, should have the right to recover the loss, or if anything to recover from the third party, that will be transferred to the insurance company. This is what subrogation says. So always, in order to prevent making profit from the insurance contract, indemnity principle is indemnified. Indemnity principle is used here. So subrogation do not apply to life. As I said, in case of any death, any damage to an individual, in that cases, insurance company is liable to pay the compensation, and if there is any provision to recover the loss from the third party, that right will be held with the insured only, or the whoever the suffered from the loss. But in case of property insurance, not like that. If once insurance company compensates the insured, then the right to recover the any benefit or the compensation from the third party will be transferred to the insurance company only. If the insured is not allowed to make profit, as I said, insured is not allowed to make profit, because if we get the compensation from insurance company as well as from third party, it will makes the insured to get many monetary benefits from the contract. So in that matter, insured will not be allowed to make any profit from the insurance contract. And same way, even insurance company also not allowed to make any profit from the insurance contract. He cannot recover more than the actual loss. For example, insurance company has compensated 3 lakh rupees to X insured, and if there is a chance to recover that particular compensated amount from the Y person, a third party, in that cases insurance company can recover only 3 lakh, not more than that. In case if there is any provision to recover more than that, that should be repaid to the insured itself. Insurance company cannot retain it with the company itself. So if insured is not able to make any profit from the insurance contract, even insurance company also not to allowed to make any profit from the insurance contract. So this principle is applicable to both the parties of insurance contract. Subrogation can arise in 4 ways. First one is tort, due to the negligence of a third party. In that cases, we can recover compensation. It can be recovered by the insurance company with the consent of insured. Contract, for example, lease contract, if you take, if the property is handed over to you for some purpose, and after certain years, if it need to be returned to the original owner, in that cases, if any damage occurred to the property, then that party can recover through the contract. If the contract, legal contract gives the right to recover, then subrogation can be applied. Statute, the constitution itself gives the right to recover if the loss which is occurred due to the government department negligence. In that case, you have the right to recover from the government department. Subject matter of insurance, this is the very important aspect of our discussion now. In case of the property which is damaged is the subject matter of insurance. In that case, the insurance company will get the right to recover the compensation from the third party after giving compensation to the insured party. So, this is about the principle of subrogation. I would like to summarize it. In the insurance contract, insured is not allowed to make any profit from the insurance contract. Insured will be paid the compensation only for the actual loss. If there is any chance to recover any losses from the third party, that right will be transferred to the insurance company. In case of there is any salvage or any damaged property which can be sold and some values can be obtained, then in that cases the property salvage value should be recovered by the insurance company only. No rights will be there for the insured. And in this background, I would like to conclude the principle of subrogation as a support document for the principle of indemnity. Thank you very much.